Alright guys, we're going to try and do this as overland friendly as possible too. So I got the inverter plugged in. We've got some power coming from the almighty sunshine coming down and just giving us sunshine goodness power. 13.1 and charging, so that's good. Yeah, let's see how well we can power this vacuum cleaner, clean up this truck. Nice, good. Better go before the power runs out. Okay, oh, this is gonna be rough. Brutal. Okay, it's going to be a whole bunch of that. Okay, looks like some wires, some other stuff. Oh, disgusting. Oh man. Oh, you could only smell it. Oh, this is. Oh, yuck. I need a serious bath after this. I cannot believe how much is up in there. Oh, that's insane. I just want to get enough so I can just lift it down. Come from somewhere. I wonder if they tore it out from under the seat. I wonder if this is from under the seat. Oh, like the Overlander inverter is doing good so far. Can't be good every time that happens though. Should give the batteries a rest for a second. Nose a rest for a second. Oh my god. Alright, where are we at for power? Oh, we're flickering. Check the batteries. Oh, 12.5. So we went down from 13.1. We're down to 12.5 now. 12.6 and charging. So not bad. Our batteries are working. No idea what that vacuum pulls. See how heavy it is now. Oh my god, it's still like super heavy. What? Wow. Oh, the roof is rough. Oh god. Wow. Yeah. Let's get this done. grab a drill and drop the back first. Hopefully some of these screws come out. This is going to come down as just one serious mess. I'm certain of that now. Neither side is holding that great, but maybe if I can get this back trim off to light it down on one side. It doesn't really matter which side. Both sides are terribly dirty, so I guess we'll just start taking it apart. That one turned. That's not a good sign. There's the camera done. Wow, it is nearly stuck there. Okay. Get to the other side. Get that piece off. See if it'll stay up long enough for us to get the other side down. Alright. One piece at a time Sure why I'm saving these rusty screws. Maybe because they match the rusty chrome. In my ear. Oh, gross. Okay, so whew. Oh, the whiff of smell from that was pretty bad. Okay, stay back. Stay back. Wow. I'll get my drill bit back later. Wow, that's disgusting. Okay, so there was a headliner material up there. Let's see if we can get this out. Well, I can safely say that this is shot. You know, this will be the first time I have to vacuum the roof after the roof liner is out. Wow. That smells so bad. So bad. Oh, and the rust is going through. We are going to have to save that as quick as possible if we want to keep a roof in this. It's getting thin. How is it up top? Is it blistering? That's starting to get pinholey. We'll do what we can. We will try to preserve this as quick as possible. We might be on the borderline of saving this cab. Or not. We'll see. I don't know right now. Needs to come apart more. That was a little extreme. Can't believe the amount of animal feces were in the top of that headliner. It's disgusting. Batteries have had a bit of time to charge up now. Looks like we're getting a little bit of power back on the meter there, so should be able to run the vacuum cleaner a little bit longer again. So get more of this truck cleaned out. Pretty disgusting roof liner. I have to fix all this rust somehow. But right now I gotta finish taking down the chrome and just continue vacuuming and just keep vacuuming. That's what you do with these old things. You just keep cleaning and keep cleaning and keep cleaning till eventually you either got a part left over or the parts are no good and you have to replace. Either way, it's clean. So
more cleaning.
That speaker grill has quite a bit of rust on it. Huh. Well, I didn't know those were removable. Maybe this has something to do with the XLT dash. Still pumping. Well, runs a shop vac. It's a 1500 watt inverter. Alright, continue with the free vacuum power. Batteries are good to go. We'll work our way top down. You know I'm going to take the seat out, pull the carpet out. There's no way. No point in even vacuuming it. Just get the seat out and rip the carpet out. It's all garbage. It's like the roof liner, it's all garbage. There's quite a few things I'm going to have to find. You see? I need a Power Ranger just to come along and help me fix it.